Hi guys, so today I'm just going to be showing you how I make carrot stew. Okay, so here's my washed and cleaned and washed carrots. I just put it in a pot, I add water and I boil until it's really soft. And then the next thing I'll do is to take them out of the boiling water and then I will blend the carrots. Today I'm using the instant blender. It's a really good blender. I've used it for a while now. You can blend hot or cold. I think you can also cook in the blender, but I've never used it to cook before because I am a traditional lady and I like to cook on the stove. So that's my carrots that is blending. I'm just going to blend to a really smooth consistency. So this carrot stew is just like a substitute for tomato stew. So it's the same way you make tomato stew except you use carrots in place of tomatoes. You can do that just whenever you want to, eat something different, have a different taste, or try something different. Okay, I do not do this very often in my house, but every now and then I make carrot stew instead of tomato stew. Disclaimer, I am not a food blogger, okay, but I just wanted to show you guys something here just in case you have never tried it or you don't know. You can use carrot to make stew or sauce. You can call it carrot stew or carrot sauce. So that's my really blended carrot. It's a really good consistency. I think I bought about 2 pounds of carrots, but I ended up not using all the carrot because I didn't want to make a lot of stew. So like I said, it's the same way you make your regular tomato stew, except I use carrots in place of tomatoes. So that's my carrots all blending well. I'll just blend. And then I have to give credit to my oldest sister who taught me how to make carrot stew. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing I'll do is to put some oil in my pot. I use canola oil. And then I'll add salt to just check that the oil is hot. And then I put my diced onion. I'm using the red and white onion just because I like a mix of flavor. Then I added some tomato paste. Usually I'll also use red bell pepper, but I do not have red bell pepper at the moment. So I'm just making do with what I have. So I'm just frying the tomato paste and the onion together. I will fry and fry until I feel like the paste is well fried. At least it won't have the sour taste in it. And then that's what I just did. I just went ahead and fried and fried and fried. I am not a food blogger, but I'm just sharing a thing or two with you, okay? So yeah, that's me still frying the tomato paste. After which I'm gonna now add I'm frying my bay leaf as well, just for aroma, just to make sure the house and the food smells really good. It's good. Then I'm gonna fry a little bit of rosemary leaves. Then I'm adding my blended carrots. Okay, so you just add it, like I said, just the same way you make your stew. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix and fry and fry and fry until I feel like it is well cooked. So that's what I'm doing, just mixing and frying. I just fry. I stir it a lot because I don't want it to get burnt. And then I cover it and let it cook some more. Of course, you have to cover your stew and you have to use a deep pan to avoid splatter, because when you make stew, you know how much mess you can get. So
say hi, Christabel.
that's my daughter. She's helping me out. Christabel is very helpful. She loves to cook. I think she rather helps out in the kitchen than watch things on TV. So yeah. So that's my stew, really cooking well. I'm going to go ahead and add my seasonings. Today I have salt, pepper, rosemary leaves, turmeric, and cooking seasoning. I'm using the Knorr chicken flavor. I add a little bit of water as well, and then I'll just cook. And then the next thing I'll do is to add my fish. I rather use fish to make carrot stew than chicken or beef because fish makes it taste really good. So I also added like a little bit of, I think I had like old stock left at home in the fridge. So I just added it and I covered it and let it cook. And then we both stir and stir and stir. Yep. Taste for salt. Cover to cook some more. So that is our big bowl of carrots stew. So what I usually do, I'll put in the leftover onion just because we like some fresh onion in our stew. And I will mix. Odie, can you mix it for mommy? Okay, that's enough so you don't mess the fish up. Odie, that's enough, Mama. Thank you. Okay, so I'll just... Hold on, Mama. Let me do it for you. Yeah. There you go. So, yep. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Ooh, look at that. Mm. So that's our bowl of carrot stew. Okay, and I'm cooking rice as well. Tastes good. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my cooking. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.